Hi lovelies. Welcome back to another video, guys. Yes, we are doing a roller set. Okay, a nice fresh roller set. But guys, before we move any further, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. For those who are not yet subscribed to the Mskimmyk family, don't hesitate, guys. Why wait? Hit the subscribe button down below so you could be a part of the Mskimmyk family. It's nothing but love over here, okay? Love and support. All right. All right. So I will be doing this fresh, nice roller set. So I did do a roller set video before, right? But this time I'm going to be roller setting my hair going backwards. Okay, so just sit around, just enjoy this video, grab your glass of wine and sit back, relax and enjoy the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and of course I will respond to any comments or questions, concerns. All right, and also guys, please make sure your notification bell is turned on so you'll be notified when I upload my weekly videos. Okay guys, so I'll see you in the end, and enjoy the video and enjoy the music. The distance, oh yes or no, high or low, whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles and on-point style, they can play well, but we foretell. Whatever they do, we can do it better. So keep me in your sight.
So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter, bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand, up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic, dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter, 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 Think about the stuff we play, how I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh. Think about the stuff we play, how I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh. Think about the stuff we play, how I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh. Think about the stuff we play, how I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel, fill up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do? Oh, when your train is gone. I don't wanna go back, back. Don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back, back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back,
Okay, love, so we are wrapping up, coming down to the end of the video. I really hope that you learned something from this video, okay? And don't forget, I do have a very much more detailed roller set video. I will link it in the description box down below, where I, talk more, emphasize more on how to place your roller set in your hair. Okay, guys? So yes, guys, thank you guys so much for sticking through to the end. Please also let me know if what videos you guys would love to see, and also let me know if you enjoyed the video. Okay, guys? So thank you for the love, thank you for the support, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.